Hi everyone, in today's video we will be rounding whole numbers. If the number is 5 or more, round up. And round up means we add 1 to the rounded number. If the number is less than 5, we round down. And round down means we keep the rounded number. Let's look at the two examples. Round 38 to the nearest 10. So we have the number 38. First, we identify the rounding digit. Round to the nearest 10. That means the rounding digit is a 10. Then we look at the next number, and if it is 5 or more, we round up. So 8 is more than 5, so we're going to round up. So that means we add 1 to the rounded number. 3 plus 1, 4. So therefore, 38 rounded to the nearest 10 is equal to 40. Example 2, round 33 to the nearest 10. So we have 33, nearest 10, that's the rounded number. We look at the number following the rounded number. It's less than 5, so we're going to round down. So round down means we keep the rounded number. So it's 33 rounded to the nearest 10 is equal to 30. So let's practice rounding. Example 1. Okay, so what we're doing, we are rounding to the underlined digit. Number 1, 4,790, and we are rounding to the nearest 10. That is equal to, rounded to the nearest 10, the number that comes after the rounded number is less than 5, so we round down. That means we keep the rounded number. So that will be 4,790. Example 2, 705, and we are rounding to the nearest 100. So we'll look at the number, the digit after the rounding digit, and it's less than 5, so we keep the rounded number. Next, 23. The rounded digit is 2. The number after is less than 5, so we round down. Keep the rounded number. $5,954, rounding to the nearest 100. The number following the rounded number is 5, so we're going to round up. That means we're going to add 1. We're going to add 1 to the rounded number. Add 1 plus 1. So we add 1 to the rounded number, and that gives us 6,000. $873, we're rounding to the nearest 100. The rounding number is 8. The number following is more than 5, is 5 or more, so we're going to add 1 to the rounding number. And that equals to 900. Our final example, 76, round to the nearest 10. The number following the rounding digit is 6, that is 5 or more, so we're going to add 1 plus 1, and that is equal to 80. So there you have it. Hope you find this video very helpful. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this video, and see you in the next video.